Hi all, get back to our midterm practice. Let's continue number 3. Write the code that draws 3 shapes, a circle, a rectangle, and a triangle, to the screen, each with a different random fill color. Each time the user clicks in the window, the colors change. Okay, now we're playing with shapes. Okay, we're gonna comment this out. Right. Okay. Here you see draw 3 shapes, a circle, a rectangle, and a triangle. And then that has it's not a problem, but the main problem actually is this: each with a different random fill color, and every time the user clicks in the window, the colors change. So that's the main problem actually right there. So it's an event, and we have a mouse click event, mouse click function. So we can just do mouse click. ED. Okay. Mouse click. And what we're gonna do exactly? We're gonna change the color of all the rectangle. No, all the shapes there. So there are 3 shapes. They have different random color. Okay. Alright, so you have to create a color shapes A, C. Okay, you have 3 shapes over there, and then okay, so you want to do let me think. Okay, this is what you're gonna do. Shapes A. I hope this is right. Color okay, then you put 255, 255, 255. Okay, and you copy that. Okay, it seems the same, but in fact they're different. Why it's different? Because when you click the mouse, at first it's gonna run this one first, shapes A first. After that, it calls random, and then when you and then it will run shapes B. It also calls random as well. So those two happen not at the same time. So that's why the result should be different as well. So you have mouse click over there, and that's why you also need void draw now. I'll put a background. Let's make it 150. And yeah, this time I want to use function again because it makes things simpler and your program looks better as well. Let's call it draw 3. Well, actually I'll just make it draw shapes, but this time I'm gonna pass 3 arguments, which is color, and we're gonna call it color circle. Let's call it circ, and color rectangle, RCT. So we don't use a special keyword which is rect. Instead we use RCT, and color try. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we want to draw, okay, for example, first of all, fill circ, meaning we're gonna use the argument circ to draw to fill a color for our circle, which is ellipse. Okay, where we're gonna, okay, in 400, let's draw it at, okay, how big is the circle? Let's make it 80. All right, and then where are we gonna put our circles? Oh, where we're gonna put our circle? I'll put it 50 and 50. Make things simpler, hopefully. Oh, okay. Don't worry about it. Okay, and then we're gonna fill again, RCT. What's the second one? Rectangle. Oh, okay. First of all, I'm sorry. It's good. It's a good practice. It's always good to practice to. Excuse me. Wait. It's a good practice to try your program little by little. Meaning that if you do so, if you found any error, you're gonna notice it immediately instead of creating a whole thing at once. It's gonna be messy if you try to build everything at once and then run it, and later you find several errors. You don't know where to start to find your error. So it's good to do it, to build your functions or your program once by one, and then test it to make sure there are no errors, or at least if there is an error, then you can fix it immediately and then move on. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna test this first. Okay, so In this case, I'm gonna delete this first. Okay, and then okay, I'm just gonna do. Oh, all right. First of all, I need to initiate these three variables inside my void setup. Okay, now I have it there. I can put this in the arguments, shape as A, and I'll run this. There you have it. Let's run it again. Yep, you got different color. Awesome. Okay, color RCT, color what's the last one? Try. Okay, now you wanna have your rectangle. Let's create it over at 300. Remember, rectangle by default is in the corner, rect mode corner by default. Okay, so you wanna have 300. I wanna make it 300, 300. I wanna, like, how big? Let's make it 80. And then make it 50. Alright. And oh, okay, last one. And you wanna create the triangle. Try. And then you wanna say triangle. I'll put it in the middle. Okay, 200. Imagine this is your canvas, 400 times 400, and then I want to create from here 200, and then this time make it 150 actually. 150. So I'm gonna create a reverse triangle. 150, 150, 150. Okay. Let's make it 300, 150. And I want it, instead of 300, I'll make it 150, and then 250. Let's try. Okay, let's run it. Okay. I need to fill all 3 arguments. As we see here, our function has 3 arguments, which is color circ, color RCT, and color try. So you wanna put this here, shapes B and shapes C. I hope I don't make you confused. Let's run it. Alright, right there you have different color of shapes. Okay, you got it there. And more importantly, we have already created the our function, which is for mouse click to change the color, and we're gonna test it as well. Okay, let's do it. And I'll click my mouse. Boom. Click my mouse again. Yep. Click my mouse again. Again. It worked. So that's good. A little bit long, but it's very good to be able to finish the problem in less than 15 minutes. And I hope you understand this. It's a little bit a number of concepts, but we'll move on the next video. Thank you for listening.